Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get GitHub token authentication. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. This is the home page where in the upper right corner, you're going to go and be able to see the login button. If you do not already have an account, you can just use the sign up button. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. So after logging in, we can now take a look at our repositories right here. We have our home icon where you can take a look at our home info right here. And now we can get started. So basically guys, how do we take a look at our token authentication? This is what we have to do. Go right here into the upper right corner, click on your profile icon. By clicking on your profile icon, it's going to open up this new drop down menu with all the options you can access. One of them is going to be called settings. You want to open up your settings right here. That's going to open up your account settings. So here are our account settings where we can take a look at our public profile, appearance, and so on, everything we can manage. And what we want to do is scroll down all the way down until we find the developer settings. By clicking developer settings right here in the menu, we can now go ahead and access our personal access tokens. These are now our tokens that we are going to go and be using with the GitHub API. So what you want to do is go ahead and create your new tokens. If you wish, you can generate new tokens that you will be able to use for your API. So you can go ahead and check them out, how they work. After you generate them, you can use them anywhere that you like and authenticate them, and that's easy how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So I guess thanks for watching, take care, and bye.